Zambian mechanical engineer, working for Zambia Sugar Factory. What we do is we process sugar cane and produce sugar of different specifications. So, in terms of sustainability, I think the biggest learning from China has been how they have been able to move from being a low income country to being a high income country um, over a short space of time. I would say 40 years from 1978 when they started the journey that they've been on and to the current status. So when you look at part of their biggest contributors to their fast development is the market-based incentives for the farmers. So that have benefited over 800 million farmers, I think, over the last 40 years. So when you look at that initiative, it speaks to value addition in agriculture, and that's the way you can eradicate poverty. That also speaks to the UN SDG goals, which talk about poverty eradication. So in our case, part of that it also involves technology transfer in agriculture. Now, part of the challenge with that is that there's not enough energy in the context of Zambia to support large scale irrigation projects. Um, so when you look at when you look at the when you look at our energy demand, for example, we use about over 20 megawatts to irrigate about 24,000 hectares of sugarcane that we grow. So for us to make it a larger area, we need obviously more electricity supply, which China has been very instrumental in with Sino Hydro coming in. They're constructing a 750 megawatt power station, which will improve our sustainability and help us along the journey of sustainable development for Zambia, because then there will be sufficient energy for technology in agriculture.